Hello, it's BananaLllama here from BunnyBlocks, and today I'm going to be making autumn themed dog treats. So let's go. So first we need a mould or a tray to put the treats in. We also have a very nice spatula, some measuring cups because that's what we're going to be using to measure everything. And then we also have either pumpkin or butternut squash puree. Butternut squash is totally safe for dogs. That's what we're using today. It's completely cooked and pureed, so that's what we're going to be using. We also need quite a lot of porridge oats. We are also going to need some puppy or dog peanut butter. We also need a mixing bowl and some water. The recipe for this will be in the description. So first we're going to add the pumpkin or butternut squash puree and the puppy or dog peanut butter. Our puppy Toffee actually loved the smell of the treats, so he stood behind me the whole time while I was making them. And now we have added in all of the oats. Some water. And now we're going to mix it. So when the mix was all a nice doughy consistency, I decided to give Toffee some because he wanted it so much. As you can see here, he absolutely loved it. And our cat Gem did not look impressed. I think maybe we should make some cat treats next time. Anyway, so now we're going to shape the treats. We're going to roll them in oats, and I've put some of them in the heart molds to make them heart-shaped treats, and just rolled some of them into small balls. So now the puppy treats are all ready to go in the fridge for 1 hour. And here are the finished treats. The heart-shaped ones actually worked, so this was a huge success. Let's see how Toffee likes them. Toffee actually ate the treat in like 2 seconds and then wanted more. He followed me around for ages, wanting more. So it's safe to say he loved them.